Welcome to the Backyard Blizzard Experiment. Today, we are going to learn about how snow is made and why it doesn't snow when it's hot. A blizzard is a really big snowstorm with three important parts. 1. Lots of snow. Snow falls fast and thick, covering everything quickly. 2. Strong winds. The wind blows the snow around, making it hard to see and feel very cold. 3. Very cold air. The temperature is so low that the snow and wind can be dangerous if you stay outside too long. When these all happen together, it can feel like the world is full of swirling white. People stay indoors during a blizzard to stay warm and safe. Let's do an experiment in our backyard. Even though it's probably too hot for snow, we can still have fun and learn about it. First, get some all-purpose flour and a spray bottle filled with water. Put the flour on the mesh strainer and throw it in the air. But wait a minute, the snow didn't really stick together. We need to spray a little water on it for it to stick together. Spray some water on the flour and then throw it up. Did you see the flour stick together and make bigger snowflakes? The science behind this. High in the clouds, water vapor freezes into tiny ice crystals. When they stick together, we get snowflakes. It won't work when it's too hot because we can't get the ice crystals to form. We need it to be cold for that to happen. Thanks for joining us for our backyard blizzard. We can't wait for it to snow for real. To learn more experiments, the science behind them, and how to connect with your child, join WxKids.